Hello my web viewers, how you doing? In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Daniel voice or the pink chip voice in your smartphone. Okay, I'm using the Android system here. This page will be on the video description. I will show you how to apply effects in this voice and save as mp3 file. Okay, so let's go. All you have to do here is click on download. After click on the link in the video description. Let's go to download option. Let's go. You will be redirected to the Play Store where you can download and install the app. Okay, in my case I have already installed the app, so let's open it. Okay, open. You'll see a interface like this one. Okay, here you can put a text you want. Okay, after putting the text, press enter. Okay, here you can choose the language. Okay, in my case it's English United Kingdom. You can choose the voice you want. Okay, here in my case I'm using the Daniel MLG voice. Okay, here we have Amy voice, Brian, Elizabeth, Emma, Gerard, Gwyneth, Kate and Simon. Let's go back. Okay, when you select your favorite voice, click on back option. Okay, here we can put effect. Okay, click select to select an effect. Let's text one of these: distortion, echo, flanger, gargle, reverb. Okay, let's choose reverb and text it.
You are on the channel Man at Learning English. If this video helps you anyway, please like the video.
Okay, the app show ads, but if you want to remove them, you can do it. Okay, let's test another effect: distortion. Okay, let's remove the effect. Okay, if you want to apply the effect, use the option apply or reset if you want to reset. Let's go back.
You are on the channel Man at Learning English. If this video helps you anyway, please like the video.
Okay, let's say you have a txt file. You can upload the file to your app. Okay, choosing this option. Okay, use this option to change the voice. And here we have some options. Okay, convert to video, send to timeline. Okay, in this case timeline of Facebook, share audio and save as mp3. Okay, let's choose the option test. Okay, save. Okay, saved. Here are the path that the file was saved. Okay, that's it, buddies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little mind that the link to download the app is on the video description. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and to the next one.